Hey everyone, there is a new blog post from Docker, like a new version of Docker, which allows to run LLMs locally. So let's go through it. At Docker, we are focused on making life easier for developers and teams building high quality application, including those powered by generative AI. That's why in Docker Desktop 4.40 release, we are introducing a new tool. Hello, hello, huh? That's why in Docker Desktop 4.40 release, we are introducing new tools that simplify Gen AI development and support secure, scalable development. Keep reading to find updates on the new tooling like Model Runner and a more powerful Docker AI agent with MCP capabilities. Plus, with AI tool catalog, teams can now easily build smarter AI powered application and agents with MCPs. And with Docker Desktop setting reporting, admin now get greater visibility into compliance and policy enforcement. So Docker Model Runner Beta, bringing local AI model execution to developers. Now in beta with Docker Desktop 4.40, Docker Model Runner makes it easier for developers to run AI model locally. No extra setup, no jumping between tools, and no need to wrangle infrastructure. This first iteration is all about helping developers quickly experiment and iterate on models right from their local machine. The beta includes three core capabilities: local model execution right out of the box, GPU acceleration on Apple Silicon for faster performance, and standardized modeling package using OCI artifacts powered by llama.cpp and accessible via the OpenAI API. The built-in inference engine make running model feel as simple as running a container. On Mac, Model Runner use host-based execution to tap directly into your hardware, speeding things up with zero extra effort. Models are also packaged as OCI artifacts, so you can version, store, ship them using the same trusted registry and CI/CD workflow you already use. Check out our docs for more detailed info. Figure 1, using the Docker Model Runner and CLI commands to experiment with models locally. Okay, this release lays the groundwork for what's ahead: support for additional platforms like Windows with GPU, the ability to customize and publish your own model, and deeper integration into the development loop. We are just getting started with Docker Model Runner and looking forward to sharing even more updates and enhancements in the coming weeks. Docker AI agent, smarter and more powerful with MCP integration plus AI tool catalog. Our vision for the Docker AI agent is simple: be context aware, deeply knowledgeable, and available whenever developers build, wherever developer build. With this release, we are one step closer. The Docker AI agent is now even more capable, making it easier for developers to tap into the Docker ecosystem and streamline their workflows beyond Docker. Your trusted AI agent for all things Docker. The Docker AI agent now has built-in support for many new popular developer capabilities like running shell command, performing git operation, downloading resources, managing local files. Thanks to a Scout integration, we also now support other tools from the Docker ecosystem, such as performing security analysis on your Docker files or images. Expanding the Docker AI agent beyond Docker, the Docker AI agent now fully embraces the Model Context Protocol. This new standard for connecting AI agents and models to external data and tools make them powerful and tailored to specific need. In addition to acting as an MCP client, many of Docker AI agents capabilities are now exposed as MCP servers. This means you can interact with the agent in Docker Desktop GUI or CLI or your favorite clients such as Claude Desktop and Cursor. AI tool catalog, your launchpad for experimenting with MCP servers. Thanks to the AI tool catalog extension in Docker Desktop, you can explore different MCP servers and seamlessly connect the Docker AI agent to other tools or other LLMs to the Docker ecosystem. No more manually configuring multiple MCP servers. We have also added secure handling and injection of MPC server secrets such as API keys to simplify logins and credential management. The AI tool catalog includes containerized servers that have been pushed to Docker Hub and will continue to expand them. If you are working in this space or have a MCP server that you would like to distribute, please reach out in our public GitHub repo to install the AI tool catalog. Go to the extensions menu of Docker Desktop or use this for installation. bringing compliance into focus with Docker desktop setting reporting. Building on the Docker setting management capabilities included in Docker Desktop 4.36, Docker Desktop 4.40 brings robust compliance reporting for Docker business customers. This new powerful feature gives administrator comprehensive visibility into user compliance with assigned settings policies across the organization. Key benefits: real-time compliance tracking, easily monitor which users are compliant with their assigned setting policies. This allows administrator to quickly identify and address non-compliant systems and user. Streamlined troubleshooting, detailed compliance status information helps administrator diagnose why certain users might be non-compliant, reducing resolution time and IT overhead. Figure 4, desktop setting reporting, providing an overview of policy assignment and compliance status, helping organization staying compliant. Getting started with Docker desktop setting reporting. The desktop setting reporting dashboard is currently being rolled out through early access. Administrator can see which setting policies are assigned to each user and whether those policies are being correctly applied. Soon administrator will be able to access the reporting dashboard by navigating to the admin console. Docker desktop reporting. The dashboard provides a clear view of all user compliance status with options to search by username or email address, filter by assigned policies, toggle visibility of compliant users to focus on potential issues, view detailed compliance information for specific users, download comprehensive compliance data as a CSV file. The dashboard also provides targeted resolution steps for non-compliant users to help administrators quickly address issue and ensure organizational compliance. This new reporting capability underscores Docker's commitment to provide enterprise-grade management tools that simplify administration while maintaining security and compliance across diverse development environment. Learn more about Docker setting reporting here. Wrapping up, Docker is expanding its AI tooling to simplify application development and improve team workflows. New additions like Model Runner, the Docker AI agent with MCP server and client support, and the AI tool catalog extension in Docker Desktop help streamline how developers build with AI. We continue to make enterprise tools more useful and robust, giving admins better visibility into compliance and policy enforcement through Docker Desktop setting reporting. We can't wait to see what you build next. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.